Hello everyone, welcome to my channel tonight. Thanks for joining me and thanks for taking your time for liking my previous videos, commenting down there and even sharing to everyone and also subscribing to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that because there's a lot going on and my community or our channel is really growing. I'm so proud of everyone. I'm so happy and I can't wait to hear and see more and more from this channel. Now, today we're going to learn something different. And the thing we're going to learn today is how we call different types of clothes in my Kikuyu language. So we're going to start right away from how we call a t-shirt, like this, what I'm putting on right here. A t-shirt is called t-shirty. T-shirty. Now, the next thing we are going to learn is how we call pants or trousers, like this piece of trousers or pants that I'm putting on. Now, this is called mofuto, mofuto, mofuto. Now, the next thing we are going to learn is how we call a jacket. A jacket. Jackety. Jackety. Also, when you mention like a coat is called igoti. 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 Now, let's say for example you want to say a skirt. A skirt. Vikati. 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 Let's say for example you want to mention a blouse. A blouse is called buraudi. 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 Now, let's say for example you want to say a shirt. A shirt. A shirt is called shati. 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 Now, let's say for example you want to say something like a tie. A tie is called tie. 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 Let's say for example for example you want to say something like a hat. A hat is called gofia. 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 Now, let's say for example you want to say something like a dress. A dress is called guo. 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 Now, let's say for example you want to say something like shoes. Shoes. Shoes are called irato. 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 Let's say for example you want to say slippers. This is what we say. Slippersy. 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 Now, let's say for example you want to say something like gumboots. Gumboots. Or, yes, let's say for example gumboots. This is what you say. Gamfuti. Gamfuti. Some names are really funny. Excuse me for some funny smiling here and there. But yes, let's go on. Gamufuti, gamfuti, gamfuti, or gamfuti. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say something like a blanket. A blanket is called moregeti. Moregeti. Let's say you want to say something like underwear, an underwear or pants, inner pants. This is what you say. Duruare, duruare, duruare. Let's say, for example, you want to say something like a scarf. A scarf is called vikafu. Vikafu. Let's say, for example, you have something like gloves. Gloves. This is what you say. You call it girofu. Grofu. Sorry, not the first word. Grofu. Grofu. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say something like a tie. This common Kenyan leso or a tie for the women that goes around the waist is called redo. Redo. Or you can also say shuka. Shuka. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say something like earrings, for example. This is what you call earrings. Midira. 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 Let's say, for example, you want to say something like a chain. A chain is called mogade. 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 Now, let's say you want to say something like a bangle. A bangle. A bangle. Sorry, the word just disappeared. Oh my gosh. I'm really sorry. Now, let's go on to something like nail polish. Nail polish is called cutexy. 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 Let's say, for example, you want to say something like lipstick. Lipsticky. 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 Now, let's say, for example, you want to say something like a head tie for tying a head wrap, for example. This is how you call it. Gitabaya kiamotwe. Gitabaya kiamotwe. Gitabaya kiamotwe. Now, we have really learned most of the things or most of the terms that you use on our day-to-day basis, and now I'm almost done with this topic. I think I've mentioned almost everything. Yes. I'm sorry, I'm going to go back one more step behind and remind you. I wanted to tell you how we call a bangle. Bangle is called fagiri. 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 Now, there's another thing I just wanted to say, and yes, let's say for example you want to say something like hair. Hair. Hair is called juere, juere, juere. Now, I'm going to end this video right here, and I apologize for the little pauses that I made through this video. Bear with me, bear with my circumstance. I hope to see you next time, and I hope to also hear from you. Continue sharing this video, give it a like, a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I hope to hear from you soon. With those words, we come to an end of this video, and good night. Sleep well, stay blessed. Bye.